Good morning, everybody, and it is almost the middle of December. It's 12/12 today. We have lots of good information for you on the Las Vegas market. One big thing is that the mortgage rates are falling. For the fourth straight week, they have fallen. Your mortgage rates are falling, which is really good. So more and more renters are realizing that sellers will assist with buying down their interest rate as well. And to that point, I see that our median price is going down a little bit. As of today, it's $430. Now, I don't publish that until the end of the month because the end of the month closings sometimes do make a difference most of the time. But we have 126 days of inventory. You know, a normal market is 180 days of inventory, 6 months. So we are still in a great market. We have closed 95 homes on Friday. We listed 67 homes over the weekend. And just so you know, we have 8,583 available properties, of which 6,695 are single family homes. And of that, 37% of them are 435,000 or under, or 2,471. And we just listed, phone went off. Anyway, we just listed 53 homes over the weekend that are 435 and under. So that is fantastic. The $1 million homes are still going 5 a day, 4 to 5 a day. So now year to date it's 4.37. But we're still in that 4 to 5 range. Amazing. And the investors are still buying 31 homes a day. Again, that number is not always as accurate as I'd like it to be, but it does give you some relative information that the investors are buying. Of course they are. The rents are high, the prices are low. If you do the math, they're making more than they would make on a 10-year treasury bond. So that's probably why they are buying. So they're making more money. And rents, I don't know, everybody. I don't think rents are going to go down anymore. And there's a lot of reasons for that we'll get into, hopefully. So we're selling 104 homes year to date per day. Last year we were doing 140. So that's quite a difference. That's quite a difference. That's 37 times 2 would be 74 real estate agents are not getting paid every day that were getting paid last year. So hopefully you've got a battle plan for 2023.